Here in this video, we will learn about the origin of 7 clans system, or Salai Taret. So this is a format of the divine family tree of the origin of 7 clans. The supreme being, Salai Lelshitapa and Lai Lema Sita P, create lining thou Sanamahi, the Asipa and Kunchin, Tuktapa, Ipu, Athuba, Pahangpa, the Apanpa. Then the younger son, God Pahangpa. The Apanpa weds with the 7 divine creations of the goddess Lailup Talet, or Lainura Taret, who gave birth the 7 clans Salai Taret of Tangkhul, Meitei, Kabui, and all clans tribe of Kangleipak. They had 9 sons, whose names are Mangang, Luang, Kuman, Angom, Moilang, twins Kapanganpa, and twins Salang Leishangthem. They were the progenitor of the 7 clans. That the Hindunised narrative of 7 clans originated from the cow dividing its part, or Ningthoja, being named after Ningthiba, is a fake narrative by Hindu-Meitei Pandits because there is no clan or Salai name Ningthoja. Sha means body, Lai means God. So Salai means divine, body of the god.